Feeding the guys on top of the platform. Number one is actually raining a bit, and then I have a Marty and a Stripe really close by also. Behave, Tuxie. It's light rain out here. I think Gray and Slate are in the garage. I am headed in Ruby to pick up Michelle to go to Crabtree. That's the mall here, the only one that's really popular still. Crabtree has stood the test of time. I'll have my full 210-mile charge. Not that I need that much, but we will be good to go for any additional errands we decide to run. Yep, she's sitting at 209 miles. She loses a few overnight while she waits for me to come out. Yes, Ruby's going to get a little wet today. But it's been quite a few days since the last wash, so no biggie. I think I'll throw Don's paper in the car. He had to get on early this morning. So I heard on the Fuquay Facebook groups last night that the sheets at Banks Road and I think the one on 55 headed out of town, and maybe even the one that you guys see us go by all the time there at 5 Points. Near 401 and Main Street, that they all got tankers of gas yesterday. So maybe the mom and shop pots don't have gas, but the sheet should have gas, and that should keep the town moving right along. Lots of frustrated people yesterday waiting in line. Lots of people taking plastic containers to put gas in. Basically a scared hoarding situation, which was just making the shortage a little worse. Last I saw in the evening about the pipeline is that they had restarted some production manually. I don't know exactly what that means or what percent of capacity that would be, but hopefully they get it sorted out before the weekend. I drove this way to see what was going on at Sheets, and I got to make the right turn here, so I can't get as good a shot as yesterday, but it seems like business as usual. They have gas and they don't have lines. Going past my old neighborhood here, it's kind of strange. I met Michelle about the time I moved to the other side of town. we used to live really close, except for we didn't know it at the time. It's 50 out there, and it's really not expected to get too much warmer today. I have on jeans, long, pants. I have on a 3/4 length shirt. I have on socks. It's, Don woke up this morning and says, like February out there, and yeah, that's pretty true. It is not a pleasant day, but we'll be parking underground, well, under the overhead parking at Crabtree, and we'll be inside shopping. We won't really care what the weather's like today. That's Porter Farms and Nursery, one of the larger strawberry fields around here. That was over there on the left. Poor thing, she's getting wet. This is really brilliant. Just block traffic to get into the line to the gas station because, yeah.
It's silly. That's why we have no gas, because everybody is drinking it up.
Well, aren't you glad I'm driving today?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Don't really have any choice here, guys. This is not smart.
That's silly.
That is go to a different gas station, pull in and redo the line from another direction, do something, but don't block a major artery in town in a line for gas. know, if you're on fumes and can't get to another gas station, I'll cut you some slack. I was explaining to Michelle that, you know, these parking decks are a little claustrophobic, but for me. But one time when I was downtown in the deck, I got out and I looked at just exactly how much room there was above Ruby. And it's just the same thing in the van or any vehicle. It's not a Ruby specific issue. And I proved to myself how much room there was. And ever since then, I've really stopped worrying about it. I'm doing much better. I think about it, but I don't really worry about it. So I found where I wanted to be. I sort of made the wrong turn. It's been over a year. God. You know, but I got my spot down here by pole 2. We remember this, right? You can see it's not very crowded down here. So we're inside Conkey, and they have you scan the QR code so you don't have to touch a menu. They also have these dividers if other people share your table, but we came early on purpose so there wouldn't be a lot of people in here. I almost missed it. I was a little late on the switch there. It's looking good, looking good. Michelle got scallops. There is zucchini and stuff underneath there, and I got filet and shrimp. He's gonna put some mushrooms on it.
I was like, oh my gosh, that's so good.
Michelle ordered the Carolina Hurricane Sushi. I can see the fun of doing those. I really can. I haven't done any of them. It's all those little round bricks that makes a pattern. That's pretty cool. Here's the new R2-D2. He's very, 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 very similar to the one that I have. But he has a new tool thing, and apparently he's already sold out, which doesn't mean there won't be more coming, but it is super similar to the one that I did. Well, there's the Apollo. This is just a generic rocket ship, which I would love to have, by the way. They make SpaceX stickers for it, so you could build it and deck it out. And then, of course, the Saturn V. That is a big, big model. They have the haunted house. Mine's an alternate version, though. I did a mock. Mine is different. I want it all. There's the police station in stock. There's the corner garage in stock. There's Assembly Square in stock. I really want Assembly Square. Wow. 4,100 pieces. I like it. It's a big excavator. It has this new style remote control. I want to put it together. Connor and the kids are still working on putting Baby Yoda together for Michelle. Remember, they got that for Christmas. I can always bail them out if necessary, okay?
I think we might have to.
Well, I tell you, this store's got almost everything in stock, except for, I guess, the R2-D2. Because even here's the space shuttle. I sort of wanted that set for a while to build some modular out of it, because it comes with a really cool garage door thing. Oh, they have new girl colors. They have all kind of girl colors. And yes, Michelle's holding a Lego bag because she bought something. You did buy something, just not what's in the bag. Wow. Perfect to go along with your electric car wrap. We've met our criteria now. We have a pink bag and a Lego bag. And we're gonna go check out Amazon 4-star. Michelle says it's like a scene on TV. So I would describe it as Amazon bestsellers. Amazon basic cables. There's a lot of electronics in here. So we left the mall around 3:30. We got there, what, around 11, yeah. So Scott did all of our jewelry repairs, Don's watch. We went and shopped while he worked on resizing a few rings. And we had a really great time. And we're gonna go swing by Guardian Angel Apex because Michelle has a bracelet that she got there a few weeks ago that has tanzanite stones in it. And I'm pretty sure I saw the matching earrings when I popped over there Monday. So let's go check it out. Ridiculous. That's the line for the sheets. I mean, they like have a whole lane of traffic blocked. This Circle K doesn't seem to have a line, and they also have bags up on their pumps. Well, if anybody local has an urgent need to get to the doctor or someplace else, reach out to me. So what do you think about 540 crossing Old Stage Road over here?
That is pretty cool.
And you thinking it's going to be cool?
I think so. But I'm going to miss all the land, though. All the farms.
Well, they're making a lot of progress on Kildare Farm Road. A slightly less progress over here, I would say. Although they're working on it. So Michelle has a cat lady in her neighborhood, too. So Michelle was able to get the Tanzanite earrings at Guardian Angel that match her bracelet that she got there a few weeks ago.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Yep.
sometimes Miss Laura doesn't put stuff out all together. And, yeah, so not on purpose. It just
Right.
works out that way. So anyway, we did
lucky.
pop into Guardian Angel and she did get the earrings. So Guardian Angel tomorrow morning instead of Friday.
Yes.
Yes.
Definitely.
Okay. And it's only 49 out there right now. It did not warm up today. I dropped Michelle off at her house, obviously, and I'm coming back through town. I came through 5 Points here where the Sheets is on purpose, just to see what was going on. And there is a line, I don't know if you can see it or not, but up here at the stoplight, it extends out into the street. Everyone is not able to get into the parking lot up there. So, wow. I sure hope they straighten this out quick. So a lot of people, you know, we just don't need anything else after the year we've come off of. Yeah, I don't know that I can tell how far back it goes, but it definitely extends into the street. And I guess at both entrances. Honestly, I think probably, you know, I don't know, maybe that place is open 24 hours, maybe come back out tonight. Although I suppose there's a fear they'll pump it all out, and then when you come back later tonight, they won't have it. Well, waiting in the turn lane is probably not blocking traffic too bad, but waiting right out there on 401 at the other entrance, that's probably not such a great idea. I know FVPD, if you could please put out a Facebook post last night, please asking people to be patient at the pumps and, you know, not to cause problems. But I guess the cupboard's got gas and the line is wrapped around the building out here onto Judd Parkway. That is just like I'm floored. On the one hand, I am feeling great that I don't need to be waiting in one of those gasoline lines. It's very liberating, you know, driving an electric vehicle where you go out every morning and you have, say, 80% charge, ready to go for your day's errands or whatever. It's great. It's really great. But on the other hand, you know, I really don't wish my fellow man any hardships. And like I said, coming off the year we've had, I certainly don't want any hardships. And the price of gas affects all of us with regard to buying consumer goods because of the trucking and such. So there's no upside to the shortage. And I really hope things will get back to normal real soon. I'm pulling into the neighborhood. Ruby's at 121 miles. I really didn't run the heat or the air conditioning today. I don't think really at all. I just think it's been off the whole day. So my efficiency, I noticed yesterday, was really high. It'll probably be pretty high today too. What was I gonna say? I'm going back out with Johnny to take him to get his hair cut. His style.
So,
you're all bundled.
Yes, right. It's 49 outside. So I got my gloves, long sleeves on.
Couple layers. There's a shirt
layers,
underneath the green shirt, right?
Right?
Yeah, still got those legs showing though.
Yeah.
Even in the cold of winter, he still has the legs showing.
It doesn't bother me, but yeah. So I'm gonna go for my run, and hopefully I'll be nice and warm when I get back.
Yeah, Johnny and I are gonna go get his hair cut and run into Walmart and get U-printer ink.
Right.
And I'm gonna smuggle my Lego box in the house while you're not here to see.
Good answer. Good answer. What I got you for your birthday Lego box, right? So tomorrow we'll both find out what we got you for your birthday.
Ah, funny. Those are my gift bags from Michelle. Unfortunately, I don't have time to tear into it right this minute. Need to go into Walmart, and I was going to do that while Johnny gets his hair cut. So I handed him the key fob. I told him I'd just start the car with my phone. Yeah, I had no problem enabling keyless driving. Worked great. So I'm just going to park over here. I can't park in my normal spot because of that construction going on that's really convenient to the hairdresser's place. But I told Johnny I basically just park right over here, and he can come out of the hairdresser and just let himself into the car with the fob, and then when I'm done in Walmart, I'll come back out. And if I'm out first, then I can use the phone to get into the car. Ruby letting me know that I won't be able to drive again because if I get out, because the key's not in the car, which is, again, not a problem. But that is probably a good idea that they warn folks about that. Yeah, Dawn needs printer ink, black ink, and needs it before Amazon can get it here. Amazon said 2 days, not 1 day, and something for work. And it would be a bonus if I could get some cat food while I'm in here, because Marty is eating me out of house and home. They have next to no cat food again, but they had 49 cans of, oh, this can's not any good. Oh, close to 49 cans, 47 cans of poultry platter. The ink I need is right here. I was noticing at the mall today that there were a lot of stores that were really low on merchandise. Hopefully Staples will have the ink and that they're still open. I think they're still open. It's only 7:20. Well, they don't have it here either. It's supposed to be somewhere over there. Oh, I can't think of any place else in town that would have it, and I wouldn't want to go up to Holly Springs, Walmart, or Target without knowing it was there first. So we'll see if he can use color, print in color, because we have a color cartridge. We don't have black and black cartridge. And if he can't get it printed in color, like a, you know, I don't know, then I'll offer to run up tomorrow morning and get it at Target or Holly Springs, Walmart. Hey there, you got back into the car, no problem?
Yep.
Haircut looks good.
Thank you.
Well, I'm down to 112 miles, so I'll definitely be plugging Ruby in. And Ruby's getting pretty darn close to 80,000 miles. You know, when we had the MCU replaced, we lost the Trip A and Trip B, which at least one of them was lifetime for the car. I mean, we still have the correct odometer, but one of these at least was set to monthly, and one was the lifetime. And we were averaging 360 watt hours per mile. And apparently, since the MCU was replaced, we've done 6,300 miles, and we're averaging 361 watt hours per mile. So things haven't changed too much. Ruby continues to be quite consistent about her efficiency. Yeah, I drive less during COVID, but probably my ratio of sitting in the car playing Pokemon to driving around town, the ratio is probably still pretty similar. It's a walking and talking Robbie the robot that Michelle got me for my birthday. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Whew, I love it. Well, Michelle had all this cool fairy garden stuff wrapped up in this box, which of course the box itself is awesome. And then there's all this kitty cat wrapping paper in there. Best friend ever. Well, Michelle included several pieces of jewelry, which was no surprise. One, this really pretty cameo. I really like it. It's a great addition to my collection. Lots of fine detail on the girl's hair. And then also this ring, which has a really unique setting.